Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to For the Love of Running, a running channel of mine that I have been on a bit of a crusade with lately of showcasing parkruns in South Australia. Couple from interstate on my channel as well, you feel free to check them out. But primarily it's South Australian parkruns, and I'm showcasing parkruns I haven't done before. I'm doing it for a first time, like this morning, or ones I've done before, and I just want to show you guys how beautiful the courses are and what an amazing vibe parkrun is. So this morning we've come out to the Adelaide Hills. We're up in Strathalbyn doing the parkrun up here. It's a 2-lap out and back. I've got some fresh parkrun merch on as well under this jacket. So yeah, that's really exciting. Out of my own pocket, mind you, not sponsored by Parkrun. Not yet anyway. No, there's nothing in the pipelines. It'd be amazing, but it's not in the works. So yeah, anyway guys, I'm gonna do a little bit of a warm up and then I'm gonna get on with showing you guys what the course is all about. So yeah, let's get over there.
Alive, let's hit the dance floor. Don't work too hard, might break a backbone. Return to the Mac, the king is back though. Corvette and cash, I never lack those. She saw the stone, you know how that go. Fatality, my diamonds that cold. Versace trunks, I hit my backstroke. Knock on the door, she at the back row. All I really take is a little taste. Island girl, blue eyes with a little bass. Here for the thrill, I don't need a chaser. Wanna vibe at the getaway. Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, I got the semi-four weight. Don't step out the line like this a probate. You hit the line and try to locate. This for the time, got time for no day. Whoa. Too many, I'm going. Too crazy, and I got bad ones and they ready. A good time, so now it's into it, we left that. Can't remember anything, but I know we got lit. Good times, live in the moment, feel like summertime. Obsessed with nature, not a world mine. The room is spinning, but I feel fine. Oh my. Chandelier, limousines. Really think I'm seeing things. Read the line in between. Yellow light, I gotta speed up. Get home to a cold shower. Need that pronto. Look like a rave at the condo. Heck of a night in Toronto. She said, boy, you in Morocco. Pearl white mention in the top gold. Fill up my cup with the pop, whoa. High off life in the spot though. Running at the visa, really talking to a real life Mona Lisa. Jesus pieces hanging off the fleecer. So much going on, it's hard to focus on the features. I got too many, I'm going. Too crazy, and I got bad ones and they ready. A good time, so now it's into it, we left that. Can't remember anything, but I know we got lit. Good times, live in the moment, feel like summertime. Obsessed with nature, not a world mine. The room is spinning, but I feel fine. Oh my, oh my.
So there you have it guys, that is what Strathalbyn Parkrun has to offer. If you're one of the locals here, hopefully my video's done it justice for you. Big thank you to everyone this morning who has said they've been keeping an eye on my channel, watching my content. Really means a lot to me. Yeah, big thank you to the volleys that make Parkrun possible every week. Now, normally they were saying they get a few more numbers here, but they've got a lot of people running Cleveland tomorrow, which is a trail race. So, you know, good luck if I get this video out in time. Or, you know, hopefully your run went well if I'm a little bit late on the video. So either way, guys, big thank you to everyone watching my content. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And in my usual fashion, time to go find some breakfast at one of the local breakfast places, maybe a bakery, I don't know. But that's a problem for now. So anyway, guys, I will see you all in the next video.